Hi beautiful, welcome in today's video. We are talking about how to speed up your money manifestation, and also I want to dive deeper into why you should stop playing small. So specifically I'm making this video for someone who is entrepreneur or aspiring entrepreneur, and I want to dig deeper into this because many times when I coach my clients, mostly service-based, soul-aligned entrepreneurs, these people have great ideas. Oftentimes they have great knowledge, like even about business strategy and so on. However, when it comes to energetics, when it comes to their mindset, it's like on and off, on and off, on and off. There are days when they go big, right? And then there are days when they go down and they feel like this biggest imposter. And they suddenly doubt themselves and they feel insecure and they feel like they want to hide, right? Or delete their name from the internet. So here's the thing. You cannot manifest your desired reality, including money, wealth, success, if you have these up and downs. Let me rephrase. You can manifest, but it's gonna take longer. Now, instead of experiencing these up and downs, I would rather have you creating stable feeling, stable emotion that you lock in and you stay in this vibrational state to manifest less, but by manifesting less, you will be able to manifest faster. What do I mean by this? I actually made a video where I did talk about how to regulate your nervous system. This is based on my experience as an entrepreneur, as someone who created 3 different companies, and based on my experience with the different clients over the years. And here is my finding. When you are starting new business or you want to grow and up level and you actually go way big, right? And you actually push yourself and you actually ignore those red flags because you think that, okay, I'm gonna push, I'm gonna go crazy, I'm gonna go wild, but you are ignoring your nervous system. You are down the road hurting yourself. So here's the thing, like I mentioned, these up and downs, your emotional up and downs are draining. They are actually disrupting your frequency. So for you to be able to manifest faster, it's better if you are manifesting, energetically speaking, from the place of goal that is perhaps not that crazy, more attainable, because when you are merging to that frequency, it's easier and sooner or later you will manifest that outcome, and based on that you are actually confirming to yourself that it works, and as a result you are building self-trust. Self-trust and the self-concept that I actually did talk about in my previous video is crucial in manifestation. If you want to manifest faster, if you actually want to successfully manifest, whatever it is that you want to manifest, doesn't have to just be business or money goals. We're talking about in general manifestation. The fastest way for you to do that is actually by mastering self-concept, mastering your self-image, and then as you do that, you are improving your self-esteem, because that is connected with believing who you are, believing that you can do it. And as you are actually collecting this evidence, oh yeah, that worked, oh yeah, I manifested it, then you can go to the next goal, right, and manifest the next thing. But as you believe more that it's possible, you're going to manifest it faster, because it's all about feeling. It's all about believing that you can. It's all about really matching the frequency. Matching that frequency means matching that desired reality that you want to manifest in this moment. And if you cannot buy into this idea that it's already done because you have a bunch of limiting beliefs, instead of pushing yourself like crazy, affirming without the feeling, I want you to lower that desire to the point that you actually believe that you can. And when you do that, you will manifest faster. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you resonate with this. And for those who wish to actually dive deeper into how to manifest wealth, I do have a program, upcoming masterclass actually, called Wealth is Your Birthright. You can find the link in the description.